welcome to our channel. I was getting a lot of comments from people in my group that I should start creating a video on how to earn money from stock market. See, our focus will not be like to get money in suddenly in a day. The steps that I follow to increase my income is I just invest some money in a stock. I don't keep a very large target. As soon as I get some 5 or 10% profit, I just exit from the current stock and I increase my capital. This is the main way that I do to increase my money. And one best stock is IndusInd Bank. This is a very good stock. It is very fundamentally very strong and very stable stock. For example, you can see the stock during March it was lying around 300 rupees, and now by November it has almost reached again like 850 rupees level. And you can see like before COVID hit, this stock was lying around 1000 plus. So right now, since vaccine has been in the market, and like a lot of positive things are going on, government has given a lot of subsidies for big investors. And even another positive thing is automobile sales have been increased. Because of this automobile sales, people this is simple fact, people normally people take loan in order to buy a vehicle. More loans means more profit for the bank. So from January onwards, since there will be COVID vaccine, every business will start raising again, and this IndusInd Bank, it will reach its again maximum high of 1600 plus for sure. So if you are looking for short term investment, you can invest in this stock. You can accumulate this stock at 830 rupees or 840, or at 850 you can accumulate the stock. Now it may fall a little bit, for some time it will fall a little bit. After that, again the stock will continue to rise. In 2 months you can definitely hope for this stock to reach around 1200 rupees for sure. By next March or February, the stock will be around 1200 rupees for sure. And there are many rumors that market will fall. Nothing is going to happen like that, because we have seen during election time, means in US election, it was told that market will fall heavily, but nothing happened. Our GDP has again come to track, so stock will be very good performing. If you are looking for long term target, within like just in 7 to 8 months, this will reach 1600 for sure, because this is a very strong and very stable stock. It will give you very good profit. Just don't mind what others say. So for short term profit, you can keep 1200 as the target. For long term profit, 1500 should be the target. And one main thing is, don't keep any personal attachment with any stock. Just enter at a right price and exit at a right price. Market is only for making money, because big players already take a large share of market. We as small traders, our target should be to enter at a small price, exit at a medium profit. Entry price should be 830, 840 or 850, or even if it reaches 800, you can get it from there. So this should be the target. But in by February March, this will be a very good stuff. Don't give your attention to rumors. Market will again grow. This stock will definitely reach 1200 for sure. Even we have suggested most of our company, and I personally have invested 50% of my savings to in the sense 50% of my portfolio is in this bank. So please consider investing in this bank, and please do research once before investing in any stock. Thank you guys.